Hey.
My name's Cecilia. What's your name?
It's Mohit.
Nice to meet you.
Same here. Good to see you as well.
Welcome to Pokhara.
Thank you very much.
I see you're wearing a harness today. What's that for?
So luckily I'm doing the skydiving in Pokhara.
Yeah?
So I'm very excited for that.
Lovely. We're excited as well.
Thank you.
We're gonna jump with you and we're gonna go up into the mountains.
Yeah, that's
See the
right.
mountains.
I'm just waiting for that eagerly.
Perfect. We're going by helicopter. Have you tried that before?
No, it's the first time.
First time
I'll be
for
riding the
both
helicopter.
jumping and helicopter?
Yeah, that's right.
Amazing. Are you excited?
Definitely I am.
What about the nerves? How nervous are you?
A little bit nervous, but I'll definitely sure when I'll go up.
Yeah.
I'll be more nervous for sure.
Yeah.
So
Definitely.
someone had to push me. So that's why the JP is there.
You told Jean-Philippe?
I'll tell him now.
Perfect. Well, you're ready?
Yeah, definitely I am.
I think we're about to be ready as well. So
Perfect.
I just have one last thing.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Go beep beep.
Woohoo! Oh man.
There we go. Perfect. Wow, that was amazing.
Aye.
Let me help you. Come on. Thank you, buddy. Give me a hug, man.
Well done.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. That was an amazing one, man.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Thank you.
Try
Thanks.
to describe in front of the camera here.
Oh, man.
How was the feeling?
I was very nervous. When I jumped, that was totally unreal. I'm not expecting it as well. So I'm very nervous at the top. But yeah, JP helped me a lot. So you only live once. You should try it for sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Thank you, Sylvia.
Thank
for
you.
recording me out.
1, 2, 3.
Go beep beep!
Beep beep.